So I'm here with Marc Regan, the Global Director of Artistry for Bobbi Brown, and today we're going to be testing the brand new Nude on Nude palette by Bobbi Brown. It's very exciting, and we're going to be creating a hazy copper nude smoky eye.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, so let's get started.
All right, so we're talking about this beautiful palette, and of course your eye went to which color?
This color,
yes, Dusk.
I love the look of that color.
So beautiful. So we're going to brighten up with this lighter shade called White Smoke, and what I love about it is it has a little bit of that pearlescence. Do you see that little?
Oh yeah, just the tiniest amount, yes.
And so on the eye, it actually reflects all these different colors.
What I do like about this palette, just from looking at it, is that there's a really good mix of different finishes with all the shadows.
You always want a variety. Sometimes you get palettes and it's all just shimmer. And it's really hard to work because you want different dimensions and you want different types of shading to play with. And sometimes you're just not in the mood for one texture.
Exactly.
Yeah. Then we will, I would say, let's go into the dusk and focus that along the lower lid. So I should say the lower part of the eyelid, which is just below the crease along the lash line. I'm just gonna draw out some of this application a little further out to follow the shape of the brow bone and the eye socket. And you'll see that I'm using a smaller eyeshadow brush. This is called the angle eyeshadow brush, and I like it because of the angle helps me shape into the eye socket a lot better. So if you can see, it suits the eye shape, it lets me blend and apply color at the same time, and I can start to work up into the crease towards the brow bone, and it effortlessly diffuses out the edge. So what we'll do now is we're just gonna add those accents. So things that are gonna enhance the shape of your eye, really give those different dimensions to the eye, either enhancing the crease along the lash line, whatever you're looking for, because you gotta keep it so that it works for your eye shape and your features. So I'm gonna do look straight for me actually. So right now I'm using our smoky eyeliner brush and I'm just giving a little bit of depth. All I'm doing is creating that depth.
And what shade is that?
This is the milk chocolate. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some of the same shadow and dot it along the lower lash line so that we really frame the entire shape of the eye. So I'm actually going into the roots of your lashes, Sophie, and just pressing it in. When you're looking for that hazy look, you go into your lighter shade and you literally just place it right on top of all of that depth and it blends it out for you.
Right, that's a great tip.
So that you're not actually trying to buff out that darkness, you're actually just hazing it out with a lighter shade, and it looks like you are far more talented than you may be. But it's all about those tricks. And then bringing it out, take a look.
That's so easy. That looks amazing.
Moral of the story is keep it simple, use the right colors that have that impact and really give you the depth or the dimension and the drama you're looking for, and keep the technique simple so that it doesn't complicate your life when you're trying to achieve a look.
I love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.